Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 26th of July. And first of all, national news. Over 200 cars submerge in Greater Noida as Hindon overflows. Farmer in Telangana earn about rupees 2 crore in 15 days selling tomatoes. Parliament panel recommended dedicated squad to recover stolen antiquities. To avoid Sahitya Academy awards being returned, House panel suggested taking recipients' consent. Hugh's rally in Mizoram demanded end to violence in Manipur. ISRO successfully completed fifth orbit raising maneuver for Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft. The spacecraft would begin its journey towards the moon on August 1. India's projected population to be less than China by July 1 center. Rupees 5,000 fine, 50% hike in challans fail to deter Delhi's wrong side drivers. More than 5 crore job cards under Manrega cancelled in 2022 to 23 center. 3 rounds likely for Delhi University BTech course, first list on August 2. Prop body recorded 490 fraud cases related to NPAs of over rupees 20 crore. Now, international news. TikTok launched text-only post to rival Twitter. Seine River in Paris to be thrown open to swimmers after 100 years. Russia to raise maximum age for compulsory military service. UK Open second ballot for young professional scheme visas for Indians. China's foreign minister Qin Gang swifted rise in 7 months. And now some sports news. Former Pakistan captain Mishabul Haq set to work as PCB advisor. Harmanpreet Kaur suspended for 2 games for aggressive behavior during third ODI versus Bangladesh ICC. Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia could be withdrawn from Asian Games squad if they lose World's trials, a report said. Lalit Upadhyay, 4 other forwards miss out as India named team for Asian Champions Trophy. Kidambi Shrikant, HS Pranoy entered pre-quarters. Akarshi Kashyap knocked out. 18-year-old Aisha Nazeem's retirement confirmed by Pakistan Cricket Board. 2023-24 home season. India to play 3 ODIs, 8 T20s and 5 tests. FIFA Women's World Cup. Philippines beat New Zealand 1-0. Now news related to business. Bitcoin clinged to $29,000, dodge up after Elon Musk rebrands Twitter as X. Spotify active monthly users grew to 551 million, premium subscriptions rise 17% in second quarter. Tata Motors quarter 1 consolidated net profit at rupees 3,300.65 crore. Middle Eastern crypto exchange Rain grabs license to handle assets in United Arab Emirates. And that's all in news. Thank you.